What is up, guys? Today we're going to be making these pedals have a lot more grip. So first, what you're going to need is you're going to need your pedals that are slippery, a drill and bits, some small little screws, this for cutting. You're going to need the right size wrench. Then the last thing is you're going to need a file. Let's get started. We're going to see this and we're going to find a size that will be a little bit smaller, and then alright, now we're gonna put some holes in. Alright, so now we're gonna take this out, so we're gonna go up one. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to take these and we're going to cut off these tips. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make these not so sharp. Now we can put our pedals back on.